Hi guys, so we're here to learn about flowcharts, or let's say basic flowcharting in programming. So first, let's define a flowchart. A flowchart is a diagram representing the process flow of computer programs using shapes and arrows. So what shapes are we talking about here? So first we have a oval. So oval starts and ends a flowchart. Next, a parallelogram. It holds the input or the user input of the program we are charting and the output of the program. Next is a rectangle. A rectangle holds the calculations or the processes our program has. And lastly, our diamond, or they say rhombus. It holds the condition wherein the program needs to decide whether it's true or false on certain conditions. And not indicated here is the arrow, which points out where the program flows. So let's start with making a flow chart. So our conditions or our process would be, it should get 3 values. It gets the average of those 3 values. It evaluates if it's passed with the average if it is higher than 75 or equal, or otherwise lower than 75, meaning fail. And it prints the average and your rating if you're pass or you're fail. So to start with, naturally it starts with our oval sign or oval shape. Then we have an arrow pointing downward, the next process. So first we need to get 3 values. So we have here a parallelogram indicating you need to input an A, B, and C. Those A, B, and C are the numbers or your grades to be evaluated. So they are integers. So we have an arrow. So let's get an average. So we need that. So we have a, what we call this, an equation here for getting your average. So we will add A, B, and C and divided by 3 because there are 3 values. So after that, we need to evaluate the average if it's pass or fail. So we need a decision box. So the question is the average equal, greater than or equal to 75? So the answer is, if it is yes or no. If it is yes, it's pass. If it is a no, it's a fail. So lastly, it should print the average and the rating. So we put a parallelogram for the output and print average and rate. So we have all our conditions or instructions. So it's time to end it. So I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and thank you for listening. Good day.